Hey friends, if you wish to know how long it takes ChatGPT to create an image, then well, there's no significant answer to it, but it usually needs around a minute. So let us try that here. Okay, I will go to ChatGPT, I will open it. Okay, and then I will log into it, and then I will try to log into it using some of my account. Okay, we'll just log into it quickly. Let's see how long it takes to generate. You can start counting it. It usually needs a few seconds, not even a minute, unless it's a very complicated image. But it again, it depends. So let us see how long it takes. You can see it yourself. Okay, okay, it's generating it. You can see the progress bar here, the circle. It has already taken around 2 minutes. Maybe because it's a free account. When I use a paid account, it doesn't need as much time. But anyway, let us wait and watch. Okay, so here's the image of the puppy that we wanted to create. Okay, so it needed a little less than 3 minutes. That's the time it needs to create an image. If you use a paid account, the time would be lesser than this. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.